but it cuts through everything. I'll take you there inside my head. No words spoken, still it spread through the silence, through the air. Like you knew that I'd be there. I turn around, you're standing still. Like you reached me by your will. Tell me why it feels so real when no one else can hear or feel. Crowded door, but I'm locked on you. Every thought feels like it's breaking through. She says your name, says we're alright, but something shifts behind your eyes. I can feel the spark begin to fade, like a fire that we never made. I'll take you there inside my head. Now it's quiet, something's dead. Through the silence, something's wrong. Like we lost it all along. You go cold, I feel it too. Like the space is filled with you. Tell me why it had to break before we even got away. Was it real or just in me? Did you feel it honestly? I swear I heard you in my mind, like your voice was locked in mine. You said I'll take you there so clear. Now there's nothing left to hear, just the echo